Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Asus motherboard model and BIOS build, so you fetch compatible drivers. This prevents mismatches. Once done, make a system restore point and backup current drivers to revert if needed. This saves time when things go wrong. Next, connect via wired Ethernet for stable downloads. Instability corrupts packages. Then open Device Manager and UEFI to note current driver names and versions. These quick checks cut troubleshooting and ensure you download only the correct vendor files. You should download drivers from the Asus support page using your model and OS filter. This ensures matching vendor packages. After downloading, install the chipset driver first because it exposes system buses and corrects device enumeration. Once chipset finishes, install storage/USB drivers so drives mount correctly, then network and audio. Make sure to reboot when installers request or after each major group. Reboots let Windows bind drivers properly. If installers offer clean install, choose Finalize by checking Device Manager for unknown devices and run Windows Update to pick any supplemental drivers. This completes the stack. Only update BIOS when a driver issue specifically requires it. Use the recommended Asus EZ Flash method and a UPS or reliable power, because interruption can brick the board. If a driver causes instability, use Device Manager to roll back or reinstall the previous version, or restore the system point you made earlier. Keep an installer log and repeat installation steps if a device still misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.